Welcome to Weekly Rewind. There's been a lot of activity in my backyard this week. The young starlings were busy splashing in the creek, while the house sparrows were busy feeding their young. A young downy woodpecker visited the feeder, while a song sparrow ate on the ground. At a local park, I was treated to seeing a ruby-throated hummingbird on its nest, which was quite amazing. Keep watching to see it bring moths back to the nest. Be sure to check out the link at the end to learn more about these tiny birds. I was treated to many birds gathering nesting materials as well as feeding and singing. But birds weren't the only wildlife seen. In today's video, you'll see a wide variety of insects, some turtles, and a few mammals that were spotted this week. Did you see any interesting wildlife this week? Is there any wildlife in this video that you'd like to learn more about? Don't forget to let me know in the comments section. Thanks for watching.